Recording clear, professional audio can be challenging, but the best wireless microphones make it effortless. Designed for crystal clear sound, stable transmission, and easy portability, these mics are perfect for content creators, vloggers, and performers alike. Here are the best 5 wireless mic that combine quality, reliability, and convenience for every recording need. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. HEHOTTC M2 Wireless Mic. It feels like discovering a tiny piece of magic that transforms ordinary moments into professional-sounding content. The moment you clip this mini wireless microphone onto your shirt, you can feel the difference. Your voice becomes clear, focused, and rich, almost as if you are standing inside a recording studio instead of a noisy street or crowded room. This compact mic uses an upgraded omni-reducing AI noise chip that instantly filters out distractions. Suddenly, the wind, traffic, or random background chatter fades away, leaving only your voice in perfect clarity. There is something empowering about pressing the single mute button and knowing you are fully in control of your sound. No restarting, no struggling with settings. Just pure freedom to create. Whether you are filming videos, vlogging, or recording podcasts, this tiny wireless mic adapts to you. It works with both Type-C and iOS devices, including the latest iPhone models and almost every modern Android phone and tablet. Just plug the receiver into your device and the mic automatically pairs within seconds. No apps to download, no confusing menus. It is truly plug and play, making it perfect for spontaneous creativity. One moment you're planning a quick Instagram reel, the next moment you're already recording with crisp audio. The battery life feels almost unreal. One mic lasts up to 6 hours on a single charge, and if you use the included second microphone, you can record content for up to 12 hours total. Even more impressive, you can charge your phone or tablet while using the mic, removing that constant fear of your device dying mid-recording. The 60-foot wireless range gives you the freedom to walk, move, dance, demonstrate products, or shoot cinematic angles without losing audio connection. You are untethered, unrestricted, and unlimited. For creators who love storytelling, the most exciting part is how confidently this mic handles every situation. Outdoors at a park? Clear voice. Indoors with echoes? Reduced. Shooting a vlog while walking? Stable. Recording a tutorial for YouTube or TikTok? Professional. Interviews, cooking videos, unboxing, live streaming, music covers, travel diaries, business presentations, this mic elevates everything. It comes with dual transmitters, a receiver, clips, charging cable, and a full-year warranty for peace of mind. Such a small device, yet such a big upgrade for your content. Once you try it, recording with your phone's built-in mic will never feel acceptable again. Pros: noise clarity, long battery, dual mic option, easy setup. Cons: limited range, small size, easy to misplace. Number 4. ZOPPLM WM189 Wireless Mic. The moment you clip this wireless mini microphone to your shirt, you can hear the difference. Your voice sounds richer, clearer, and more confident, as if you are speaking inside a professional recording booth. The microphone reacts to the faintest details in your voice, capturing natural tones that feel warm and real. It is not just recording, it's storytelling. The instant plug-and-play connection makes everything effortless. You simply attach the small receiver to your device using either the USB-C or Lightning adapter, and the microphone connects automatically. No searching through menus, no app setup, no Bluetooth. In seconds, your phone turns into a powerful content creation tool. Whether you are using an iPhone, iPad, Android phone, or even a laptop, the connection is smooth and immediate. It is perfect for those spontaneous moments when inspiration appears and you need to start recording right away. What makes this mic magical is how confidently it handles challenging environments. Recording outside on a windy day or in a crowded street can destroy audio, but this microphone is designed to fight noise. With its high-density sponge and dead cat wind cover working together with advanced noise processing, it filters unwanted sounds so your voice stays crystal clear. Suddenly, you do not have to wait for the perfect quiet environment. You simply record anywhere. The real-time monitoring feature feels like having professional studio equipment in your pocket. Plug in your headphones, and you hear exactly what the microphone is capturing. You can switch between standard, reverb, or mute mode instantly, giving you complete control over your sound without stopping your recording. The rotating clip is smooth and secure, allowing the mic to attach perfectly to shirts, collars, hats, or even camera straps. It always stays in the right position, ready to capture your next idea. Despite all this technology, the microphone weighs almost nothing, only 0.2 ounce. You barely feel it, yet the battery lasts up to 16 hours on a full charge. 1 hour charging and you are ready for a full day of filming videos, podcasting, streaming, or interviewing. It is remarkable how much freedom this gives. No tangled wires, no bulky equipment, just pure mobility and clear audio from any angle. For content creators, this microphone elevates everything. TikTok, YouTube, vlogs, interviews, product demos, fitness training, cooking videos, business calls, every recording becomes sharper and more professional. Once you hear the difference, you cannot go back to the basic microphone on your phone. This tiny device unlocks a new level of confidence because your voice finally sounds the way you want the world to hear it. Pros: clear audio, real-time control, long battery, ultra light. Cons: tiny size and limited accessories. Number 3. Hollyland Lark A1 Mini Duo Wireless Mic. A tiny wireless mic that turns any phone into a high-end audio workstation, giving creators the freedom to move, speak, and tell their story with confidence. The moment you clip this sleek mini mic to your clothing, something amazing happens. Your voice becomes rich and cinematic, with crisp highs and smooth lows, as if you stepped straight into a studio. Even sudden loud sounds are handled smoothly without distortion. It captures the full emotional range of your voice, making every word feel more powerful. What makes this mic truly exciting is the intelligent 3-level noise cancellation. Whether you are filming in a busy street, a windy rooftop, or an echo-filled room, it carefully filters out traffic noise, wind rumble, and background chatter. Instead of fighting your environment, you simply press a button and the microphone adapts. Suddenly, you can record outdoors, film travel videos, or shoot spontaneous interviews without worrying about unwanted noise ruining your footage. The sound customization features make it feel like a professional toolkit disguised as a tiny microphone. You can switch between 3 EQ presets to match your vibe: a balanced sound for everyday recording, a warm low tone for podcasts, or a bright tone that cuts through in outdoor scenes. Add reverb, and your voice gains depth and cinematic atmosphere. Small room, medium room, large room. Each setting transforms the space around you into a sound environment, giving your content texture and personality. It is like shaping sound with your fingertips. Battery power removes all anxiety. With the charging case, you can record up to 54 hours by alternating the transmitters. Long shoots, multiple interviews, travel vlogs, an entire day of filming. Everything becomes possible without stopping to recharge. The magnetic design makes attaching the mic effortless and satisfying. No clips, no fumbling, just a secure snap and you are ready to go. The wireless range is breathtaking. Up to 200 meters of stable connection lets you move freely while filming wide shots, walking during vlogs, or demonstrating products from far away. Your audio never drops. Your creativity never pauses. Pros: studio clarity, long battery, noise control, extended range. Cons: high price and small parts. Number 2. PQRQP GT19 Wireless Mic. This wireless mini microphone is built for creators who want to capture crystal clear audio anywhere, anytime. The moment you clip it on, your voice becomes bold, full, and expressive. Background noise fades away thanks to intelligent noise canceling that smooths out distractions and keeps your voice front and center. You can even choose natural, low, or high sound settings depending on your environment, making every recording feel intentional and professional. The windproof cotton cover adds an extra layer of protection when you are filming outdoors, and suddenly even windy rooftop shots sound clean. One of the most exciting features is how effortlessly it transforms into a microphone for casual karaoke. No big speaker, no heavy equipment. Just pick it up and sing freely. It is amazing how much confidence comes from hearing your voice clearly and without delay. The universal compatibility feels like a superpower. No separate adapters or confusing cables. One compact receiver plugs into almost anything. iPhone, Android, laptop, camera, tablet, It just connects. Whether you are switching from shooting a vlog on your phone to filming a product review on a camera, the transition is instant. That smooth workflow keeps your ideas alive and uninterrupted. Interviews become easier, product demonstrations become sharper, and live streams gain more energy because you can focus on expressing yourself instead of troubleshooting connections. Battery performance is unbelievably strong. Each mic can operate for 9 hours, and if you use both, you get up to 18 hours of continuous recording. An entire full day of shooting content, hosting a live event, or filming travel footage without hunting for a power outlet. Battery anxiety disappears. It feels like the microphone wants you to keep creating, as long as your imagination keeps going. What makes this mic even more liberating is the wireless transmission distance. You can move up to 328 feet away and still maintain a stable connection with ultra-low latency. Imagine filming wide shots, walking across large open spaces, or demonstrating a product from far away while your audio stays perfectly synced. No cables, no echo, no awkward pauses. The reverb mode adds depth and a touch of drama, making your voice sound three-dimensional when needed. The quick mute function gives you instant control, allowing you to manage interruptions without stopping your entire recording. Pros: long range, noise clarity, strong battery, universal setup. Cons: learning curve. Number 1 and the winner is DJI Mic 3 wireless mic. No more lost recordings, uneven sound levels, or that sinking feeling after realizing your mic did not pick up an important moment. This wireless system gives you the confidence to record anywhere and know your audio will be perfect. The transmitters are feather-light, magnetically smooth to attach, and small enough to slip into a pocket or bag. Everything fits neatly into the charging case, so when inspiration hits, you can start recording immediately. The adaptive gain control is the kind of feature that feels invisible but powerful. You can speak softly or laugh loudly, and the microphone intelligently adjusts the volume so your audio stays balanced and crisp. You do not need to worry about clipping or distortion. Even in chaotic places like busy cafes or outdoor festivals, the mic automatically keeps your voice clean and clear. Creative energy flows without technical stress. What truly sparks excitement is the multi-device capability. The receiver can pair with up to 4 transmitters and sync audio to up to 8 receivers. Imagine filming group interviews, podcasts, or collaborative videos without juggling multiple setups. Everyone is recorded at once, each voice captured with professional precision. You are no longer limited by equipment. Instead, your creativity expands to match your ideas. For those who love shaping their sound, there are customizable voice tones and adjustable noise-canceling levels. A warm tone that softens your voice for storytelling. A bright tone that cuts through outdoor noise. Or a balanced tone perfect for daily vlogging. Lower the noise when you are indoors, or boost it when filming on city streets. The microphone listens to the world and adapts with you. The real magic is the dual-band anti-interference technology. Even in crowded areas filled with wireless signals, your audio stays steady and drop-free. Live events, trade shows, office environments, or concerts no longer threaten your recording. The connection is strong and reliable. And just in case something unexpected happens, the internal 32-bit float recording captures every detail inside the microphone itself. Even if your device disconnects, your audio is still safe. No need to redo takes or fix clipping in editing. It is like having a personal safety net. Battery life stretches through long shooting days. Up to 28 hours of power when using the charging case means you can shoot from sunrise to midnight. No rushing to find an outlet. No worrying that your mic will die during an important moment. You stay in your creative flow, free from limits. Pros: balanced audio, multi-pairing, backup recording, long battery. Cons: pricey gear. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.